Do you ever feel like your food cravings have a mind of their own, like no matter how strong your willpower is, the urge just takes over? You're not alone. Food cravings, especially for sugar and carbs, aren't just about self-control. They're deeply connected to your brain chemistry, stress levels, hormones, and even gut health. Today, let's talk about one supplement that's showing real promise in helping people regain balance: N-Acetylcysteine, or NAC. We'll also explore other natural remedies that can help calm the brain, reduce cravings, and support your overall wellness from the inside out. If you've ever wondered why you crave what you crave, and how to finally get ahead of it naturally, this is for you. What NAC is and why it's so powerful. NAC has been used in medicine for decades. Hospitals use it for Tylenol overdoses and certain lung conditions because it helps the body make glutathione, one of our most important antioxidants. But in recent years, researchers have discovered that NAC also supports brain chemistry, particularly a messenger called glutamate, which influences motivation, reward, and cravings. Think of glutamate as your brain's gas pedal. When it's overactive, it can make you feel driven to seek rewards, like food, screens, or other habits that feel hard to control. NAC helps rebalance that system so your brain can hit the brakes again. This is why NAC has been studied for binge eating, food addiction, OCD, and substance use, all conditions involving repetitive urges or compulsive behaviors. What the research shows: animal studies show NAC reduces addiction-like behavior toward high-sugar, high-fat foods. Rats that usually overate started eating normally again after receiving NAC. Human research is still growing, but early studies suggest NAC can help people with binge eating disorder, sugar cravings, and even anxiety and depression. It works partly by calming inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain, two processes that can intensify mood swings and cravings. This means NAC doesn't just suppress urges. It helps rebalance the systems that cause them. How to use NAC? If you decide to try NAC, start low and go slow. A typical starting dose is 600 mg once a day. If tolerated, you can increase to 600 mg twice daily. Most research uses between 1,000 and 3,000 mg per day, split into 2 or 3 doses. Take it on an empty stomach or about 30 minutes before meals. It's also important to be patient. Natural supplements often take 3 to 4 weeks to reach full effect. Many people notice subtle changes first: fewer cravings, steadier mood, more clarity, before major shifts appear. Other natural remedies that work alongside NAC. While NAC can be powerful on its own, it works best as part of a holistic cravings support plan. Here are other evidence-based options that complement it beautifully. Magnesium glycinate. Magnesium is often called the calming mineral. It supports stress management, blood sugar control, and restful sleep, all of which reduce cravings. Many people who crave chocolate are actually low in magnesium. Magnesium glycinate is the best tolerated form of magnesium. Try 200 to 400 mg in the evening to relax your body and mind. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s from fish oil or algae reduce inflammation and support mood balance. Stable mood and lower stress levels mean fewer emotional eating triggers. Take 1 to 2 grams daily with meals. Saffron extract. Saffron isn't just a spice, it's a proven natural mood enhancer. Clinical studies show that 30 mg per day can reduce snacking urges, support serotonin balance, and lift low mood. It's especially helpful when emotional eating is your main challenge. Mood-targeted probiotics. Your gut and brain are in constant conversation. Certain probiotic strains, like Lactobacillus helveticus R0052 and Bifidobacterium longum R0175, have been shown to improve mood, ease anxiety, and reduce stress-related cravings. Supporting your gut can directly improve how your brain handles urges. Fiber or glucomannan. Taking 3 to 5 grams of soluble fiber 10 to 15 minutes before meals helps you feel fuller and keeps blood sugar steady. This simple habit can significantly reduce those "gotta eat something" moments later in the day. Putting it all together, the 4-week challenge. Here's how to test what works for you. Choose 1 or 2 supplements, for example, NAC and magnesium. Take them daily for 4 weeks. Track your cravings, mood, and energy levels each week. Compare week 1 to week 4. Most people notice. Cravings feel less intense, it's easier to pause before eating. Moods feel more stable, energy becomes smoother throughout the day. If you feel better, keep going. If nothing changes after 4 weeks, try a different supplement or combination. The big picture. Supplements can make a real difference, but they work best as part of a bigger plan. Cravings thrive when we're stressed, sleep-deprived, or restricting too hard. They ease up when our body feels safe, nourished, and balanced. So use NAC and these other natural supports alongside consistent meals, good sleep, hydration, and gentle stress tools like walking, journaling, or meditation. When you focus on supporting your body's chemistry, not fighting your willpower, everything gets easier. You begin to respond, not react. Final thoughts. NAC, magnesium, saffron, probiotics, and other natural remedies can be incredible allies in calming cravings, stabilizing mood, and helping you feel more in control. They're not quick fixes, they're gentle, science-backed supports that help your brain and body rebalance over time. Always talk to your healthcare provider before starting new supplements, especially if you take prescription medications. If you want a simple way to get started, check out our Cravings Crusher Toolkit, where you'll find printable guides, supplement cheat sheets, and a step-by-step plan to help you find what works best for your body and brain. Remember, healing your cravings isn't about perfection, it's about progress. One calm, supported step at a time.